Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates. My name is Camila Neira, and today I'm going to talk about how to teach grammar. I did a previously assignment about teaching grammar, and I choose two approaches. The first approach is functional notional approach. This means that it focuses on the purposes in which the language is used. It emphasizes communicative purposes of speech act. It also underlies what people want to do or they want to accomplish. And it also helps learners to use real and appropriate language for communication. This approach helps learners to increase their grammar while they are speaking with other people. Usually, teachers make a lot of oral exercises, presentations in order for the students to speak out loud and increase their grammar, not just by writing or hearing or listening. Instead, they want them to make an effort by speaking, because speaking is the key of the language. If we speak, we are able to practice more the language. And the second approach is teaching grammar through songs and rhythms. This approach is particularly helpful for all learners because it will help them to increase their grammar while they are hearing some songs or rhythms. They will hear about the song of the lyrics of a song, and they will always automatically repeat in their brains the same lyric that they just heard, and they will catch easily the vocabulary, the grammar, the structure, and they will get easily the language. And it is very helpful to hear some songs. I personally took this approach to learn different language, and it helped me a lot. I learned tons of songs and tons of languages with just hearing songs and rhythms in different languages, and it made a different it did make a difference as I just started doing this approach, and I think people should use it in order for them to master a language. Thank you very much.